Today we're unboxing this gas one triple burner gas stove, and this was Thanksgiving Day, so I'm going to be showing you a little clip of me using it to cook. And man, I tell you, I can't wait for Christmas to come because I was done cooking in no time. And this is how it comes in the box with detachable legs. So let's put it together. So here my husband is putting it together, and it's super easy. This is how it comes in the box, and it comes with four legs. You just attach them and screw them in place just like so. You have the hose and the regulator and a manual, and of course I didn't need to use the manual because it's super easy. You just attach the hose to the back and one end to your gas tank, and it's as simple as that. Now it's ready to use, and here we are lighting it up. And it's a little sunny out, so it's hard for you to see the flames, but this gas stove is so easy to use, easy to control the temperature. Let me zoom in and show you how high the flames can go right there. Okay, so I had three large pots cooking all at once. It was so much fun using this gas stove outdoors. My house was nice and clean and fresh, didn't smell like fish or fried chicken, and that was the greatest part. And I was done cooking in no time. So as you can see here, I'm showing you that it has a ledge so the pots won't slide off easily. So I'm really loving this gas stove. I would order it again and again if I have to. But of course, this will last me a long time. I placed it right back in the box that it came in, and I'll pull it out Christmas again and do it all over.